case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A high-stakes battle centered around who truly owned a software program resulted in the court case, JustMed Inc. v. Byce, which unfolded before the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit in 2010. The dispute thrived between the technology startup, JustMed, and the disputed employee-investor Byce, whose intriguing power play cast a blinding cloud over the rights to the stirring program JustTalk. Unexpected turbulence struck when Byce, claiming to be an investor rather than a committed employee, initiated a strategic scheme. To stake his claim over JustTalk, Byce cunningly altered the copyright statement on the program and purged all duplicates from JustMed's databases, hoping to secure a larger slice of the thriving company. Launching a counterattack, JustMed opened a state court case to prove Byce's employment history within JustMed, implying under the Federal Copyright Act's work-for-hire doctrine that JustTalk was their property by default. However, Byce countered, escalating the dispute to federal court while seeking a ruling that proclaimed him as the rightful architect and custodian of the software. JustMed departed victoriously from the initial bench trial, the district court sanctioning a permanent injunction against Byce and ruling that the startup owned the program under the Federal Copyright Act's work-for-hire doctrine. They also landed a blow against Byce, declaring he had violated the Idaho Trade Secrets Act by misappropriating the software. Refusing to accept defeat, Byce raised an appeal against the rulings, which resulted in the appellate court partially endorsing the district court's decisions while also overturning some aspects. The layered case, as portrayed by Circuit Judge Betty B. Fletcher, was a complicated weave of informal employment practices, personal relations, and ambitious entrepreneurship. The two main participants, Joel Just and Michael Byce, were former brothers-in-law with substantive experience in the computer industry. Their joint vision for a revolutionary digital audio larynx was conceived in the mid-90s, but progress halted following a family tragedy in 2003. The project rejuvenated later in the same year when Joel Just and his wife formed JustMed in Oregon and encouraged Byce to invest and join their board of directors. Manifesting the court's ultimate decree, JustMed owned the JustTalk source code, and Byce's actions did not amount to misappropriation under the Idaho Trade Secrets Act, ITSA. While Byce was found liable for conversion, damages were deemed negligible. As a postscript to this tireless legal tussle, the court remanded the question of an injunction against Byce and possible damages recovery for JustMed to the district court for further deliberation.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.